Hydraulics exercise number 27. Problem. Lathe spindle. In an automatic lathe, a hydraulic motor runs the main spindle. It is necessary to know the relationship of the pressure to the flow rate. So going to the fluid sim, shown here is the sample schematic for exercise number 27. Also shown here is the scatter plot diagram of the pressure with respect to its flow rate.
So for exercise number 28, the lifting machine. A lifting machine transfers products to a higher elevation. A system with pressure relief valve can be used. However, it is necessary to determine the relationship of the pressure to the flow rate for the operation. So here is an example of a schematic diagram of lifting machine.
Hydraulics, exercise number 29. Problem, pressing machine. So, in a pressing machine, there's a need to test the hydraulic resistance of the components to evaluate the pressure for the pressing action. So, there's no pressure range for operation. So, this is the figure for pressing machine. So, here, this is the sample schematic of pressing machine.
So for the hydraulics problem, exercise number 30 problem, feed lifter. A feed device lifts rolls of papers to a machine. The lifting movement is done by a cylinder. When the pump unit is turned on, the cylinder moves upward. So the retraction can only happen through opening a valve when the pump is already turned off. So we can see here the figure 38, the feed lifter. So now, excuse me, I'm going to show you the sample schematic that I have done for the feed lifter. So we can say that when the hydraulic power pack is switched on, the pump output flows directly to the cylinder. So a shut-off valve which is closed in its normal position is fitted in a branch line leading to a tank. So that is all.
Hydraulics exercise 31. Cover opener. A furnace cover needs to be lifted when a push button is pressed. When the button is released, the cover automatically returns to the initial position. So, example as you can see here in figure 39. When you press the button, you can see it lifted. Here's an example of a schematic diagram. When you press, as you can see, it opens. And when you release, it closes.
So for the hydraulics exercise number 32, problem storage door opener. A storage door opener is opened by a cylinder for safety purposes during power failure. The door can be closed by associating an accumulator. So we can see here the figure 40 for the door opener. Now I'll show you the sample schematic that I have done for this door opener. So we can see here that it can move if we have power. So the door may close here. So if we close it, this is what we're gonna do. And so we're gonna charge this one so we can use it to power here if we don't have any power. So because we can't move it without power. So we're gonna charge this one. It's going to charge if you just leave it open. So there, now that's charged. Let's try closing it first, then do it again. So we're gonna put power so it can still move because we have power. So now that it's closed, we're gonna use this for power failure 0. So we're just going to open it and then